Hey guys, welcome back to me and my dad's YouTube channel. So what we got here?
We have a
Monster truck?
AMT monster truck. The first thing we need is a 1988 TNT motor.
I started with the wheels.
Yeah, so the first thing you need to do is put the wheels in. So you just push it all the way through.
This looks easier than the others. The other ones were made out of plastic. This one is made out of rubber.
These little wheels were super hard to get through, these small thick tires. Once you got them through one side, it was almost impossible to get it through the other side. But after fighting with them for a while, we were able to go ahead and get those installed. But as you can see, my son is beating it on the table trying to get it in. It was fighting with him the whole time, but we managed to get those put in.
Need to check if they roll too, because the car won't roll. Yep, they're all right.
Okay, now we have to put these little
What are
gears. Those go on the inside of the wheels.
Right here?
Move your finger. Yeah. You gotta put them all the way back there. You see those two little slots?
Yeah.
So that's where they go. They gotta snap. They gotta go all the way on the inside.
How do we get these things?
I don't know.
Oh, I can help you. I got this. My fingers are small enough to get it in.
Oh.
I mean, I was going to be like, this is impossible. And then when I figured out my hands can fit through, and I was like, this is not impossible. For grown-ups, it is. Why don't they even make grown-ups do this wheel part? I think I snapped another one in. Yep, second snapped in.
Sorry about this part. We didn't realize that I was putting together the frame off the camera, but basically the frame is 3 pieces. Just 2 side pieces and one main undercarriage part, and the 2 side pieces just snap onto it. Other than that, that's pretty much it. And right here we were, he was installing the hubcaps on the inside of the tire, and I was trying to install the little axle to the inside, but you actually need a hammer to install those. So we just went ahead and kept going with the car and decided we'd put the axle inside the wheel with the hammer at the end once we finished putting it together. Right here, we're just putting the axle through the slots on the frame. Once this is complete, the only thing we have left is just to attach the frame to the undercarriage, and the truck will be about 80% complete. Pretty straightforward, simple install. Nothing really tricky about it.
Now can we put the wheels on?
Yeah, you just slide the wheels on. Hold on, let's use another one. I think we put them all the same way. Oh, we got lucky.
What? They all the same size? We got lucky at what? Grill.
The front. So, just...
Let me put the grill on.
Okay.
I am great with it.
You got it upside down. Flip it around.
You told me to work. Two snaps. Daddy, can you help me?
Okay, here, put that one. That one came unsnapped. Let me see.
finished. This is my job. Oh, why are all the wheels popping off?
Cause we gotta get a hammer and push them in.
Or we could just do this.
Nah, that ain't gonna work. Didn't realize I was out of the frame. Just installing the inside of the truck. Guess this appears to make it look like the windshield's tinted, but that's all I was doing right here.
Front, the back. Now what's next? What's next, Daddy?
I'm trying to snap the back bumper on. Finally got that little piece to snap. Wait, this doesn't go like that. This goes like this. You see that little, those slats.
Yeah, but I see this like thing that you need to snap. Right here. Now I see it. Now I see something that's supposed to snap.
I'll make sure you got.
I'm trying. I see something.
Hold on. Make sure you snap it. That's how it goes.
Yeah, that's how you snap it on. What you gonna try and do? Blueberry and
So there it is. We still gotta
fix those wheels.
Yeah, we still gotta fix the wheels, but so subscribe, like, share, and follow along. We got some more coming at you guys real soon.